Welcome back to the channel. Pallet Project idea create affordable, easy, inspire wood pallet are one of the most versatile and budget friendly material for craft love. Whether you want to decoration your home upgraded your gardening or start a smart woodwork project for craft, content craft, pallet project often endless possibility with just basic tool and little created alt palette can be transforming into stylish, functional, and eco-friendly items build or inspire palette project ideas that are perfect for beginning and those lens. Palette functional idea. Palette functional is popular. Pallet furniture is popular because it is to customize and inspire. One of the easiest project is a pallet soft and craft. Still 2 and 3 pallet scared theme together and add anywhere you have a comfortable setting area for your pallet or living room. Other great furniture idea pallet coffee table, bed, frame and TV studio. You can level the wood rustic for a farmhouse look and send a pallet. It's for a modern fin- finish add while to pallet table also make theme perfect and mobile. Pallet gardening project. Pallet are perfect for outdoor and gardening use. A pallet versatile. The gardening is idea for a smart space. Simple stood A pallet upright line. It's with landscape fiber, fit with salt and plants have flower or vegetable. You can also build rustic gardening bed, pallet compost bin or pallet plants. Their project not only save money but also help original your gardening beautiful. Main YouTube crafting use pallet gardening build balance then are various pair and easy to follow. Pallet bulb decoration home decoration. If you want low effect, build high impact project. Pallet wall decor is a great choice. Pallet attached wall can transforming up room in a cozy rustic space. Cut pallet into pillow sand theme and attach theme harmoniums or in a pallet. Other decor idea palette, picture frame, wood, chain, ricotta, and full shipping. Those projects are perfect for bedroom, living room, on even coffee and smart solve. Palette outdoor project. Palette outdoor project are among that most search idea. A palette depth or platform is perfect for smart yard with balcony. You can also build pallet branch outdoor dining table or even sun long. Thank you for watching this video.